Hello again. Welcome to Skynet Development. This is your guide, Builtin Samograd. Today we're going to be working on the underlying Lisp Sigil of Skynet. I keep talking about the Mcarthyisms of Lisp, or the basic primitives of the Lisp that Mcarthy discovered, and I keep forgetting what they are. So, I gave some homework a long time ago, or maybe not so long ago for you, to read the original Mcarthy paper, and I'm sure that might have scared a few of you away for homework. I didn't ask you to do anything with it, but first off, it was the first available link was in PostScript. So you'd have to figure out how to do that. I don't know if most people know even what PostScript is anymore, but anyways. So there's actually another really good article on the basic primitives of Lisp, written by his name will come to me. Maybe it's at the bottom of the page. Paul Graham, there we go. Paul Graham. Oh, this is in PostScript as well. Oh no, that's interesting. We'll just look at the code. So this is a Lisp written in Common Lisp of Mcarthy's Lisp. Now, quote, Atom, EQ, cons, car, coder, and cond. That's what he built it out of. EV list, EV con, eval. The sock was not a part. Pair was not a part. Null was. Or was it? No, it could just be. Okay, that's not quite right. Maybe I should go back and read the paper. Anyways, the point being is this episode's about implementing a couple of these things, but it doesn't look like we need to implement one of them because we can just do it as a macro in Sigil. Atom, though, is one of the primitives, and I remember that. And that was what the purpose of this episode was to fill in the primitive axioms that were needed in a Lisp to do what you want to do. So we're going to add Atom right now. So we've got Sigil on the right. Atom evaluates its argument, so it can be a built-in function. So we're going to add a built-in function called Atom. So this is one table for initializing the environment on boot of the Lisp. And there's another one up here because I'm a bad programmer. Okay, so basically we've filled in the slots to define Atom in our environment. And like a good programmer, we're going to update the documentation. We'll add that there. And we're going to add the function. Atom only takes one argument that is evaluated, and Sigil is based on JavaScript types. So basically, we're just checking if x if x is a string or a number. That is the definition of atom. Then we return t, which is just a variable that's always defined in the environment, that is generally used for true, especially at the end of conned statements. But remember that any value that isn't the empty list is true, so you can take that into your programming ability and just kind of remember that. So batom looks like it can be tested. Okay, atom of a number is true. True. And a list is not an atom. So there's a episode that's about the that's how you add built-ins to Sigil, and basically that's something we don't want to do very often, but when I do end up releasing the code to this and you want to play with it yourself, you can do whatever the hell you want because it's yours. Software freedom and all that sort of stuff. So that's the end of this episode. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to commit and commit and push. Plus that. And looks like we just found our next episode. There's a bug in number parsing. Or should I just continue this one? No, we'll do it in another episode. Okay, music again is VARND. Thanks for watching. See you next time.